In the first part of this tutorial, we showed how to use the script PhylogenomicSupport.run in the Guión version of TNT. We strongly recommend you to watch that video before watching this second part. Here we will show you how to use this script in the console version of TNT. So let's open TNT in the console. First, I will show you the help of the script. For this, I will type run PhylogenomicSupport.run help. Here is the description, the usage, and the arguments of the script. As you can see, this script has a great number of arguments, so I will copy the usage and the arguments that I want to use. I will define here the name of the dataset, typing input and the name of the data file. Then I will define the name of the reference tree, typing ref3 and the name of the tree file. The default format of the reference tree is TNT, so I won't specify this argument for this example. I will use bootstrapping for resampling sites, so I will type sites boot. I won't use, for this example, resampling by genes, so I have to type gblocks no. I will calculate the relative Bremer support, so I will type rel pre yes. I will treat the gaps as missing, and I will use 100 replicates of bootstrapping. As these settings are the default, I don't have to specify these arguments. As I won't use jackknifing or symmetric resampling, the argument delprof, deletion probability, is not needed. It will be ignored if specified. I will use traditional search with level 1, so I need to type search tra and level 1. As we won't use the combined Bremer or CBS approach, the argument dispair is not needed. It will be ignored if specified. Regarding character weighting, I will use weights equal. However, as this is the default, I don't have to specify it. As I will use equal weights, the argument strength is not needed. It will be ignored if specified. And finally, I will produce an output file in TNT format. However, as this is the default for the argument output, I don't have to specify it. Again, you can observe that this script has several arguments and options. For that reason, we strongly recommend to see carefully the help of this script. Now, I just need to press enter. For this dataset, the script takes approximately 1 minute running the analysis under the settings defined. However, I have the results here. Here, in the SVG graphic, you can see the bootstrap values here above the branches at the left. As we did not calculate the values for resampling by genes, there are no values above the branches at the right. And below the branches, you can see the relative Bremer support values. Finally, we can open in TNT the tree labeled with the support values typing procedure and the name of the output file. So let's wait a few seconds. Now we have to type procedure and the name of the output file. Remember that the topology is the one chosen by the user as reference tree. And with the command t tags, this command shows us the values of the support measures in the same order that I showed to you in the SVG graphic. So this is the end of this tutorial. Thank you so much and see you in the next videos.